The journey from raw timber to premium solid wood tables starts with the careful selection and transport of massive hardwood logs.
After the kiln drying process, the rough oak boards are fed into the industrial planer, transforming the uneven timber into perfectly smooth surfaces.
The dowel pins are carefully inserted into the glued holes, then gently tapped into place with a rubber mallet to ensure a secure fit.
All right, bring it down flush.
Checking the corners now. Looks good.
Secure the clamps.
Skilled hands remove the final traces of dust, ensuring a flawless surface before the staining process begins.
The freshly lacquered table enters the temperature-controlled drying tunnel. At a precise 45 degrees Celsius,
We carefully measure the lacquer thickness to guarantee a durable, high-quality finish on every table.
Once the lacquer is cured, the automated system uses soft buffing pads and a fine compound to bring out the mirror-like shine.
The process involves meticulous fine polishing with an electric buffer, removing micro scratches.
After the flatness inspection, the structural integrity is tested.
Once assembled, the premium solid wood tables are carefully packaged and secured for transport using our automated shrink wrapping machine.
The barcodes are scanned directly into the logistics system, ensuring every premium table is accounted for before being moved to the loading dock.
I want to thank you all for coming tonight to Health and Happiness. Cheers!
If we angle the grain this way, it highlights the craftsmanship.
Yes, that works well with the rustic farmhouse concept for the next phase.
From raw timber to this premium rustic design, our tables are crafted to highlight the natural beauty of the wood grain.
I am so glad you all could make it tonight.
The atmosphere is wonderful and the food smells amazing.
Oh, wow, this smells absolutely divine. It certainly does, to good food and great company.
Handcrafted from the finest timber, these tables transform a house into a home, bringing premium quality to families worldwide.
Only the finest timber is selected, ensuring every table meets our high standards of luxury and durability.